Today I'm starting with the Dynamark. I'm gonna take the 3/4 inch axle out and put in this 1 inch axle from the go-kart. I bought bearings. These were half off. They're $6 instead of $12. And I've got sprockets. And this is another reason why I'm replacing this axle. It's bent. But anyways, I hope the new one doesn't do that. It shouldn't. It's 1 inch, this is 3/4 inch. These are the wheels. You might remember them from the go-kart. They'll go on those hubs there. Need to get them to fit better. But yeah, they're a lot narrower. It's the next week now. I've got the sprockets welded up. Today is Groundhog Day when I'm recording this, so it's Groundhog Day, that's a thing. Yep, gonna put these sprockets on, and then see what goes from there. So I have this sprocket on, I got the lock collars on there. There's a bit of movement, because the bearings aren't locked down, they're still loose. I'm gonna put the other sprocket on, for the other side, and then we'll do the chain, and then I'll tighten these down so I can adjust the chain, and then we'll be going from there, I guess. So I'm gonna try it with the new axle in. This chain on this side's a bit tight, the other one's okay. This one's a little bit tight, so I'll try it. Don't want to break anything, so I'll go easy for the first bit. Right. It appears that it somewhat works, but the carburetor leaks gas, and it's not really tuned right. I can't get it. But, I mean, it worked a bit there. Let's see, how's this doing there? Oh. There's a stick caught in here. There's a stick caught in the chain. I don't know if you can see that. Try to roll it back out of there. Oh, that's not good for it. Man, look at that. That was caught in the chain. Right there. That might have been why it stalled when I let off the gas. But, I mean, like, I guess it works. Doesn't look like anything's broken. The chains still look aligned. This tire looks kind of flat. Yeah. Oh well. Well, I don't know. Is that enough of a video? I don't know. I'll try to get it going one more time. Well, I think that's going to go ahead and conclude this video. I'm throwing in the towel. Anyways, yeah, so if you like this video, hit the like button. I don't know, hit the dislike button if you didn't like it. Or just hit the like button, just hit the like button. Anyways, I'm trying to get this thing running here. It doesn't like to cooperate in the cold, I guess. It's been sitting for a while. But I mean, it did okay. These tires, I can tell they're a lot less grippier than the old ones. Because right there, I did a really big fishtail and everything. Anyways. But, yep. Subscribe, like, comment, dislike, do all that. You know. Yeah, I think it's stronger in the long run doing this with the 1-inch axle. But now it's kind of sitting like this. I'll have to beef up the front end. But yeah, like I said, I'll say it again. Like, subscribe, comment, dislike, hit all the buttons. Like everything, the social medias and everything. And yeah, tore up the grass a bit, but whatever. It'll be fine. So, I guess I'll push it back now. Oh, I made it. Oh.